Okay, we're gonna learn 2 steps today. We're gonna learn the toe or the toe drop. It can be called sometimes first. I'm just gonna call it a toe. You're going to hinge your foot at the heel. So I'm gonna turn my foot sideways so you can see that, just like this. You're gonna keep your knees bent and you're just going to drop that toe down. Okay, so with feet parallel, keep your knees bent.
Knees and toes, knees and toes.
Hinge that foot up, keep that heel into the floor and put it down. Okay, let's try the other side. Lift it up, put it down. Let's do 4 on each side, starting with our right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's alternate going right, left, right, left. Here we go. Right, left, right, left. Make sure you have some good force pushing that toe into the ground. So that is a toe or a toe drop. The next step we're going to learn is a stamp. So you're going to pick up your foot and you're going to put both your front and the back of your tap shoe, your toe and your heel onto the floor at the same time, pretending it's like a stamp that you're putting on an envelope. You're sending a letter and you're not going to shift your weight. That's also a different step. A stamp is just putting that stamp on the letter, getting it out in the mail.
Stamps rule!
Okay, so let's do 4 stamps on our right. Ready, go. Stamp, 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 stamp. So our left. Ready, go. Stamp, 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 stamp. Good. Okay, you've learned the toes, you've learned the stamps. Let's put it together for a combo. This is when it gets fun.
Well, isn't that what makes it fun?
Okay, so you're gonna start by picking up your right foot. You're gonna stamp it a little bit out in front. Stamp, just a little bit further in front of your left foot. And then you're going to clap. And then you're going to do 2 toes. Toe, toe. Now the counts are 1, 2. You're gonna wait on 3. And you're gonna tap and 4. It's gonna sound like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Try it. 1, 2, and 4. Good. You're gonna do that again, but this time on those toes, you're gonna swivel that toe out to the right and then back in. And what I want you to do is make sure you do that at the hip. You don't want your foot kind of turning away from your knee. That hurts. So you want your knee to turn out, your whole leg, turn out at the knee, tap it, bring it back in, parallel, tap it. Okay, so that second time is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Try that. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then the third time you do it, you're going to do it just like the first, all parallel. So let's put all of that together. 5, 6, bend your knees. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, out, in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. For this kind of fourth little time through, we're going to tap 3 toe taps. 1, 2, 3, stamp it back.
Take it back now, y'all.
Try that. Put that foot back out. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, stamp it back. Good. We're going to repeat on the left. Okay, so that's stamp, clap, toe, toe, stamp, clap, out, in, stamp, clap, toe, toe, 3 toes, toe, 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 stamp it back. Let's try that on the left side. If this is too fast, stop it, rewind it, learn it again. But we're going to keep going. Here we go. 5, 6, left side, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, out, in. 1, 2, 4, tap, 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 stamp. Good. So we did it on the right, we did it on the left, and we're going to close this little combination out by doing toes at the same time with both feet. So we're going to bend our knees, we're going to lift up from our heels, tap those toes down together. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and clap. Both 3 times. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, clap. We're going to do it again. 1, 2, 3, clap. One more time. Make sure your knees are bent. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, clap. And then you're going to alternate taps with your toes. 1, 2, 3. And then with your left foot first, you're going to go stamp, stamp. And that's the end. Okay, so it's right, left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let's do the whole thing. 5, 6, right foot. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna do it one more time. I'm gonna face you. We are gonna dance together. I am mirroring you. So before we started with our right foot, I'm gonna be using my left foot to start. You keep using your right. It's like you're looking in a mirror. And I want you to feel free to just dance. Just move your arms, move your body. Do what you wanna do to have fun. If you're still like, just getting my feet, just keep working on your feet. If you need to sit down and do it in a chair, do it in a chair. If not, just groove with me. We're gonna have a great time. When you're done, go ahead and grab the PDF below. I have linked for you a free checklist of basic tap steps for the absolute beginner, so you make sure you don't miss anything you can check off today. Toes, you can check off today. Stamps, and then the rest you can do later. Okay, let's do it.